Hey guys, this is the video series related to CanvasFX basics. In these videos, we will walk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it, and achieve the main goal, creating the overlay you are looking for. Today, let's talk about the importing effects. To import effects, open the app and go to the settings. Specify the folder where you want to store your effects, then drop your effects into this folder. If the application doesn't update automatically, just press refresh. Now take a look at your effect library. You should see your effect marked as imported. That's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information or new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned!